Let's talk about the warranty and your printed manual that comes with the Pfaff Select 4.2. Now, first off, this manual actually has all the Select models in there. The 2.2, the 3.2, and the 4.2. That's a mouthful. And so just kind of keep in mind which model you actually own and then follow along based on which machine has which features in there. So one thing nice really that I'm pointing out is that it does come with a printed manual and you don't have to print your own off. Now, the warranty for the Pfaff Select 4.2 is 20 years on the manufacturer parts of this machine. So if anything goes wrong that shouldn't have gone wrong, Pfaff will take care of it. Now, there's a 2-year warranty on the motor and the electrical parts except the light bulb. So if for any reason something doesn't go well with the motor, take it to your Pfaff repair center in your area and they will take care of it for you. And then just in that first year, if there's anything that goes wrong, that's what the 1 year for. You have a no labor charge for taking care of anything that is needing to be looked at. But keep in mind, as a sewing machine, we tend to use the machine. So there are things that are not covered under warranty. So if you're sewing along and you're really pushing your fabric and you're breaking needles and you're putting nicks in your throat plate, that's kind of you. So make sure that when you're sewing, you let the machine feed the fabric. You're not beating it up. Take some time to clean and oil it because that'll make a difference. Check out the video on how to do just that. And remember, good quality thread makes all the difference in the world. So before you actually need some help, check out some of these videos, clean the machine, put a new needle in, and like I said, let the machine do the sewing for you. You are just a guiding factor of where you want the seam to go, and I guarantee that this machine will treat you well, and technically you won't have to worry about needing any part of this warranty. So if anything does go wrong though, check out your local Pfaff dealer where you purchased it or where you are currently living, and they will help you through anything that you need helped with on this machine.